Welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ and this is our comment video for tonight's $half hunt live stream, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. As always, we'll be searching for silver, proofs, errors, varieties, anything to add to our collection. Hopefully we find a bunch of silver in the rolls like we did last week, and we'll give some away during the stream. But even if we don't find silver, we will still have these giveaways here, and there's going to be two easy ways to enter. First off, comment on this video. That gets you entered into these two giveaways. We'll pick the winner for this 1964 Kennedy on our regular Saturday winners video. And we'll pick the winner for this First Strike PCGS graded Proof 69 Deep Cameo Penny sent in by His and Hers Coins as an EOS. We'll pick it at the end of the stream. Then be active in the chat to enter these two giveaways. First off, we have Archaeology Mikey donated a 1944 Mercury dime in immaculate condition, great detail, as well as a 1960 quarter. These will be an active in the chat giveaway, and then we'll also give away these two 1968 Denvers to someone that's active in the chat. We found these two $half on last week's $half hunt live stream. As always, there's two ways to enter. Comment on this video, be active in the chat, and we hope to see you there. It was a lot of fun last week. We always enjoy chatting with everybody, so hope to see you there.